Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saulnierville is a small community located along St. Mary's Bay in Digby County, Nova Scotia. It is one of the largest Acadian communities in southwestern Nova Scotia and serves as an important cultural and service center for the surrounding region. The population of the immediate area is estimated to be around 1,000 residents, while the broader area includes several neighboring communities that share strong Acadian roots and traditions. The history of Saulnierville is closely tied to the Acadian people who settled along St. Mary's Bay during the 18th century. The community takes its name from Joseph Saulnier, one of the early Acadian settlers in the area. Despite the hardships experienced during the expulsion of the Acadians, many Acadian families eventually returned to southwestern Nova Scotia and rebuilt their communities. Today, French language and Acadian culture remain an important part of daily life in Saulnierville. Fishing remains one of the area's most important industries. Many residents work in lobster fishing, scallop fishing, seafood harvesting, and seafood processing. The waters of St. Mary's Bay support a significant commercial fishing industry that has provided employment for generations. Fishing-related businesses continue to be a major economic driver throughout the region. In addition to fishing, many residents work in education, healthcare, retail, construction, forestry, transportation, and government services. Some residents also commute to nearby communities such as Digby, Clare, and Yarmouth for work. Saulnierville is known for its strong sense of community and Acadian heritage. Cultural events, music festivals, community gatherings, and celebrations of Acadian history are common throughout the year. The community's French language heritage remains highly visible through local businesses, schools, churches, and community organizations. The surrounding landscape is characterized by coastal scenery, rolling countryside, forests, and views of St. Mary's Bay. Outdoor activities such as boating, fishing, kayaking, hiking, and wildlife observation are popular among both residents and visitors. The coastline provides access to beautiful sunsets and some of the most scenic views in southwestern Nova Scotia. Housing in Saulnierville is generally more affordable than in many larger Nova Scotia communities. Average home prices often range between $200,000 and $400,000, although waterfront properties and larger homes may sell for higher prices. Many buyers are attracted by the opportunity to purchase larger properties at prices that are often lower than those found in urban areas. Today, Saulnierville continues to blend its Acadian heritage with modern community life. Its combination of cultural identity, educational opportunities, coastal scenery, and strong connection to the fishing industry makes it one of the most distinctive communities in Nova Scotia. For many residents, the area's history, culture, and connection to the sea remain at the heart of what makes Saulnierville special.